that would throw it off. You know what I mean? Because if that's going down and it's bent, it's definitely going to make it go that way. Is it? Yeah. Should be that last one.
Yeah. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this latch off here to see if it's bent, because we're trying to figure out if it's misaligned and it's throwing the hood off. But we're also thinking that it might be this front little support here, but it looks like it can be removed. And there's a guy in Brighton that has a hatch part out that I'll probably hit up to try and get that to have a straight one, and then see more exactly where the damage is. But we're gonna try this for now and see where that takes us.
Cool.
I just tucked it away real quick. It looks a little better.
It looks pretty good, bro.
The camera's about to die.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's good on this side, dude.
Yeah.
Fixed it a lot.
Damn.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, if we just get the hinges to scoot over, it looks like
For sure.
damn. Cool. Hell yeah. So we took off the latch, and now the alignment actually looks pretty good. We're good on this side. If you guys remember, there was a big ass gap, and now it's closed up. The only issue we're running into right now is the hinges. You see the gap right there is still a little too tight, and it's sitting like, I don't know, about 1/8 of an inch up. And then on this other side, it's a little tight here on the fender in the front, but then we got a gap up here towards the hinge. What I think I'm gonna do is, instead of getting that front support that I told you guys about earlier, I think I'm just gonna get replacement hinges from that same guy in Brighton that has the other hatch, and then just try to have hinges that I know are straight, and then go from there. I'm just gonna leave it without the latch down here and go with hood pins. That way it's easier, I guess, to open, and then I won't even have to deal with all of that. So now that we got the hood situation a little bit more figured out, I'm gonna try to just throw the lights on it to see how it's gonna look, because I've been kind of curious. So I feel like it's, because I got these that were still on the car, but I got the new corner lights and the bumper lights and the new bumper filler, so it should look pretty good. We'll mock it up for you guys real quick. There we go. Oh shit. not too bad. God damn, that looks really good. I'm happy with that, honestly. From where the car was, I'm gonna put up some footage for you guys so you can see how it used to look on this side compared to now. The green right here kind of throws it off a little bit, makes it look kind of weird, but it's coming together so good. Let's look at this other side again. Has the red side on the bumper. Damn, that looks so good. But yeah, guys, so now we just need those hinges for the hood, and then we'll see where that takes us. And I think we'll be able to start body work now, because we're pretty much as close as we can be. So that's, I think, the next step and where we will probably be headed. So hope you guys are ready for all that to come. It should be exciting. Body work, honestly, is the thing that's gonna take the longest, but once we get through that and we get to paint, it's gonna be so satisfying. It's gonna come out so clean. So hope you guys are ready to stick with me for the journey, and I hope to deliver for you guys, because by no means am I saying that I'm any good at doing this, but I'm gonna give it my best shot, and hopefully, you know, it comes out looking decent. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.